To make a cuff with a thumb hole, you will need a pattern. The pattern is very easy to make. The main piece is 13.5 centimeters on 17 centimeters. Loops or grain line are parallel to the longer side. Then top piece, top insert, 6.5 centimeter on 7.5 centimeters, and again loops parallel to the longer side. And then bottom piece. Bottom piece is 6.5 centimeters on 10.5 centimeters. Loops parallel to the longer side. This is without seam allowances. You will need to add extra for seam allowances. I use 1 centimeter seam allowance. First, we need to work with the top piece. Fold it in half, right sides together, and mark the center at the fold. Then pin it. And sew on sewing machine. 1 centimeter from the edge. If you use 1 centimeter for your seam allowance. Because I use a stretchy fabric and I need my seam to be stretchy as well, I use a super stretch stitch. You can use zigzag if you wish. The stitch length is set at 2.6 millimeters and width at 0.8. And sew along the edge. Yeah, you can see our seam is very stretchy and doesn't rip. Now we need to open the seam and press it slightly. Turn right side out. Line up the seam and the center mark and press it again. Now we take bottom piece, bottom insert piece, fold it in half, wrong sides together and press it. Now take the main piece, fold it in half, right sides together, and mark the center at the fold on both sides. Then place the bottom insert piece on top of the main piece. Line up the edges and top piece. The edge of the top piece should match the mark that you made at the center. Now fold the main piece in half, forming a sandwich with 2 insert pieces in between, and pin it. Line up the edges. Just make sure that everything is lined up. And do a straight stitch 1 centimeter from the edge. The length of my stitch is set at 3 millimeters. Now you need to repeat the same at the opposite side. This is your center mark, and I use water-soluble fabric glue to make it easier. Line up all the edges. Pin it and do a straight stitch 1 centimeter from the edge. Now turn the cuff right side out and check that everything looks right. Now you can trim seam allowances, leaving just 5 or 7 millimeters, and press it. And your cuff is ready.